Happy holidays from eBay. What is going on, everybody? Happy holidays to you. For today, I want to share with you guys my experience with the eBay Authenticity Guarantee experience. There are plenty of sneaker marketplaces out there, but I thought to give eBay a shot this year. For those of you that have not heard of eBay Authenticity Guarantee before, it's pretty similar to StockX. They're like the middleman. They're checking to see if the shoes are legit, you're not getting scammed, and etc, etc. eBay started this back on October of 2020. For now, they're only doing Yeezys and Jordans in new and unworn conditions. That is over $150. They actually partnered up with SneakerCon, who is going to be the professional verifier to see if the shoes are real or fake. Easiest way to know if your shoes are going to be authenticated by eBay is to see if there's a blue check mark with a authenticity guaranteed on the bottom of it. So from my experience, I decided to roll the dice and got myself another pair of Yeezy 350 Carbons. My size 11 felt a little too big and I wanted to see if a size 10.5 would fit better, but for the right price. At the time when I was browsing on eBay, I found some that were going for $220 to $250. Here's the detail of my transaction. I got mine for about $224. So here's an example with StockX with the buy it now price. The total would have been $285. We could play a little bit nice and we'll give them the place bid price. It still would end up being a total of $260. For the shipping and verification process, it took a little over 2 weeks. Other than that, I got them in hand. The fitting of 10.5 feels way better than my size 11s from my previous video. I'm giving a thumbs up to the eBay Authenticity Guarantee. I made a pros and cons list for you guys. One of my biggest takeaways is that there are no processing fees, and Nike Yeezys would also get the Authenticity Guarantee treatment. One of the big negative takeaways from this is that it is only new pairs of Jordans and Yeezys. Feel free to just pause this video and check out the list. I know eBay is necessarily not the best place to buy sneakers, but I believe what they're doing right now is going to be some big. I hope this video benefits you. At the end of the day, it is up to you to decide if you want to do business with eBay or not. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you could drop this video a thumbs up, that would be much appreciative. Feel free to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.